Welcome to Ask Me Six Sigma YouTube channel. I am James, and we are going to uncover some questions you never get to ask in statistic classes. Some maybe be pretty basic, while other could be quite interesting.
This week, we look at what are the hypothesis statements for normality tests. There are several normal distribution tests available. The common one are Kolmogorov-Smirnov, which used by SPSS. JMP uses Shapiro-Wilk test, while Excel and Minitab uses Anderson-Darling test. This is a normal distribution looks like. It can be represented by this formula. Does these charts share the same behavior as normal distribution? For a good analysis, you need at least 30 data points. Then you set your hypothesis statements. Luckily for us, all the normal distribution test uses the same hypothesis statements. Null hypotheses for data are not significant different than normal distribution. Alternate hypotheses for data are significant different than normal distribution. So if your p-value came back to be less than your alpha risk, then we accept the alternate hypothesis, which is data is not normal. Normally, alpha value of 0.05 is an acceptable risk to take. That's all. Till next video, thanks for watching and have a pleasant week ahead.